Please welcome back to another routine. My name is Ella and I love everything skincare, and today's routine I am doing a self-care shower and skincare routine. Relax and enjoy. I am starting off with my almost everyday shower routine. I love skincare and I also love to keep things very simple. So my body wash today is from Necessaire and it is the hinoki scent. This is an exfoliating body wash, but it is very gentle on the skin. Next is my favorite body scrub from Ouai. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but this is a soft body scrub that almost doesn't feel like a scrub on the skin. And trust me, it gets the job done every time. This feels so smooth and soft on your skin. Next is moisturizing my skin. This is Fenty Milk Cinnamon Scent, and if you're a Gourmand lover, you would definitely love this one. This is my favorite body oil of all time. I just love that it is unscented. For my face, I am cleansing with the Allies of Skin Silk Amino Cleanser. I have only started using this few weeks ago and I think I like it. It doesn't strip my skin. On a dry skin, I apply an exfoliating serum. As I have suffered from hormonal acne, I exfoliate 3 to 4 times weekly with a gentle serum. And this is a serum that contains mandelic, azelaic, and salicylic acid, perfect for my hormonal acne. Next, I hydrate with an essence. This is from Ren Skincare, and I love how hydrating and plumping it is. The Glow Recipe Plum Moisturizer is the winner of this year's discovery. This is a hydrating moisturizer that my skin absolutely love. It hydrates and plump my skin and it is so good. is time to do my hair, and scalp health has been my top priority lately. The Living Proof Scalp Serum is an everyday routine for my scalp. Just apply it on my scalp and then I massage it in. Time to moisturize, and a little goes a long way. And the bonding air oil to seal everything in, to lock in the moisture. Then I go ahead to style my hair. This is just a reminder that I cut my hair and I'm trying to grow my hair back as much as I can, and also grow my edges because I haven't been paying much attention to my hair and it's not in a place where I want it to be. So I'm trying to curb breakage, reduce breakage and shedding, and so far I've noticed a huge difference. This is my deodorant of choice. I love Gourmand, which is why I am using this because it smells so good, just like vanilla. One thing a Gourmand girl will always do is smell like a dessert. So the Janeiro 62 is a salted caramel and pistachio. Bujor sucre crème brûlée is a burnt sugar, caramel and cream, and together they smell like a classic French dessert. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.